Stabilization and sway reduction are important considerations for any RV owner, not just those who go off-road. We offer many products to improve your overall comfort and safety for your ride, whether you are driving on smooth roads or rough terrain. One product we frequently install are Fox shocks. They are designed to offer superior dampening and control. We also offer Sumo Springs, a suspension enhancement designed to improve the ride and handling of your RV. They provide an additional support and cushioning for your existing suspension system to help reduce rear end sag, decrease vibration, and soften harsh rebounds. Another option is the Hellwig Sway Bar. The sway bar reduces body roll and sway, keeping the weight more evenly distributed across the wheels. Contact a Lichtsinn RV service consultant today to learn more and determine the best suspension upgrades for your specific RV.